Is your Google TV streamer 4K remote not responding even with the new batteries, or have the buttons suddenly stopped working? Don't panic, here are some simple fixes to get your remote working again. So first, change the battery on your Google TV streamer remote. Usually it is the main problem. If your TV streamer remote gets unpaired by chance, it can become unresponsive. You have to repair it. Take your streamer box, you will see a pairing button on the back. Press it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Your streamer will go to pairing mode. Now press and hold the back button and home button continuously and your remote will be paired. But in your case, the Google TV remote button are not responding or working, try resetting your remote. Simply press and hold the center circle button and the mute button for 10 to 15 seconds. You will hear a sound. It means the Google TV streamer remote reset is complete. Now remove the batteries for a few seconds, then reinsert them and you will hear a sound and remote will start working again. But if nothing else works, you can use your smartphone as a remote control for your Google TV streamer. We have a dedicated video about it, you can check it out. So these are the quickest way to fix your remote not working problem. Hope this can help. Thanks for staying tuned at Netflix. This is 9 till then.